We're at the Conway Scenic Railroad Station. This is where you drop off the guests, and depending on whether you're doing a round trip, pick them up again. The coaches actually go right past the station, and there's specific parking spaces to the left of the building where the coaches can pull in for drop off and then later pick up again if they need to. And then guests can, depending on how early they get here, they can mill around a little bit, go inside if they'd like. There's also over on this side, right behind this building right here, which looks like a bank, there's the Ben & Jerry's behind there. I will go in a moment to show you what that is. But I was told that groups only need to be present, tour directors only need to be present with their groups, and that Jennifer, who's in charge of this all, will be coming out to greet the buses. This is September 2021. And so the manager inside will be coming out, and no tickets are necessary. There's one ticket per group. And then again, she will be bringing that out to us to greet us at some point. Coach-wise, the main road right up here is White Mountain Highway. It's also Route 16. There's actually a roundabout. It's hard to see. See if I can zoom in. Up there. The turn comes right through. There's plenty of space. Come right around to the parking slips over there. And I've also had, in years past, I've had coaches park in the lot over there, and then they can pull right back out to Route 16 there. Bathrooms to the right.